Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look at assigning work. So if you click here on Add and click Assign Activity, you can utilize the community resources if you need to. So if I wanted to do something for first grade in English Language Arts, I could utilize any of these activities to assign students. But personally, I feel like a lot of things that I might assign might be me creating a new activity where you can create an activity name and type up instructions. You could add voice instructions, which are super helpful for those first and second graders, and include an example if you need to, or add a template for student responses. So lots of different choices here, but that's where you go to create an activity.